you guys? John Rizzo here, back with another video. Back with another cooking video. Today, you guys, I want to make beef lo mein. It's a popular Chinese dish. So yeah, I'm gonna show you step by step how to make this dish. So let's get cooking. All right. First, you want to wash your hands. These are the ingredients. I got sesame oil. I got oyster oil. I got soy sauce. I got onion, beef, and noodles. So let's chop this. Let's chop this meat as fine as we can. You can use flank steaks. You can use ribeye. No, whatever meat you prefer, preferably. But if you want like skinny meats, you can just use a couple of pieces of flank steaks, which are these. You know what I mean? All right.
Flank steaks, guys.
Flank steaks. All right, wash your hand because it's bloody. Yeah, guys, don't forget. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe down below, so you can see all our latest videos. Just sharpening the knife. I chop these guys up. Look how sharp this guy is. Bam. Bam.
What happened to Granddaddy?
Bam. Granddaddy's not in today. I don't need Granddaddy with this. Okay, so you just want to cut these, cut them in pieces. Get your wok. If you have a wok, use a wok. Put it all the way high, and let it until it gets smoky. That's how you know it's ready. That's why you don't want it to stick. The meat to stick. You know what I mean? Put these bad boys over here. A couple more pieces.
Not enough.
There you go. You got the meat. You don't want to season the meat too much because you're gonna literally put soy sauce in it, and soy sauce already has a lot of sodium. So you really don't want to put too much. Basically, you could just add a little bit of salt. That's it. You don't want to put too much. You want to put a little bit of black pepper in it. There you go. Okay. Wok. You want to chop these onions. Always wash your hands. You don't want to get cross contamination with the meat. All right. So all you want to do is peel the skin off. And just basically cut them in half. Just like that. Just like that. All right. You want to add a little bit of olive oil. Be generous actually with the olive oil so they won't stick and the noodles won't stick. Okay, now you want to add the meat. Remove this bad boy. upside. See how the meat is not sticking? Because the wok is already hot, you know what I mean? Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe down below, guys. Share this video. Tell your family and friends about this. Alright. Now, you want to add the onions. Bam. 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 Alright, then you want to get the carrots. You want to put a little bit more vegetables. Alright, I got some carrots here. And I got this vegetable called achote. Very good with noodles.
Wash it.
Yeah. So what you want to do with this guy is let's turn this guy off a little bit. Let's cut these bad boys up. Look at my peeler. Get off the hot water. Peeler's right here. Just wanted to cook the meat a little bit, you know, have it ready. All right, you wanna peel the achote a little bit, just outside. It gives it a nice, you know, a nice texture, a nice flavor for the lomein. Yeah, guys, if you guys subscribe, if you guys like this channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. I usually go live every day at 8 o'clock, but today I'm not gonna go live. This is Monday through Fridays I go live. So if you guys want to join the live, you can join the live. You know what I mean? Okay, so what you want to do with this?
It's like an apple.
It's like an apple, right? Let me just rinse this guy.
It's covered with onions. Steak.
All right. So all you want to do is cut these bad boys in the middle.
Looks like an apple.
Yeah, right? Looks like a fruit. Take out the core in the middle. You know what I mean? Like how you peel a pear or an apple. You know what I mean? Messed up. Whatever. Then you want to put this bad boy like this. Cut them in slices. Like this.
Just like an apple.
Just like an apple. Alright. Then, I always have a habit of doing that. Then you just want to, this one came out messy. Just cut them like this, like little long pieces, just like that. You know what I mean? Do the same thing with this side. Little long pieces, you know what I mean? Put these guys over here. Hey, lomein, you can put anything you want, you know what I mean? You can put anything you want in lomein. Plus, I have the water here, getting ready to boil for the noodles. You know what I mean? So we still have to wait for the noodles and to get them cooked. All right.
That's garbage. Yeah.
All right, guys. Let me finish this side, and I'm gonna speed up the process right here and get the noodles cooked. And from there, I'm gonna show you how to prepare this, how to put everything together. All right. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you guys. All right, I already got the pasta's done already. Add a little bit of sesame oil on top, so it won't, you know.
And we chopped the carrots.
Yeah. And we chopped the carrots and the achote. You know what I mean? So let's put a little bit of stuff is sealed.
Why you don't open it and then put like the stab it.
Got it. Okay.
Oh.
So add a little bit of sesame oil on top. So these bad boys won't stick, you know what I mean? Mix them around. See? They don't stick. So you wanna put the carrots and now chopped in. So the steak is already cooking. Let it heat up. You want to put this, guys. You already smell the sesame oil on that. Smelling delicious. Smelling delicious, guys. Alright, I usually put fresh ginger, you know what I mean? But I don't have fresh ginger at the moment, so I'm gonna use ginger powder, you know what I mean? Put a little bit of ginger powder in it.
Still the same thing, but powder.
Only gotta put a little bit, because ginger is strong, you know what I mean?
Strong.
So you got that lomein already, lomein flavor already. Smells like lomein, guys. It smells like Chinese cuisine heaven over here. Want me to taste test? I'm saying, I recommend the wok, guys. Easy to do it, but you gotta know how to use it. Alright, now you wanna add the noodles. You want to add some oyster sauce. Man. All right. You want to add a little bit of oyster, like about a cup. like about that's it. That's enough. Then you want to add soy sauce. Be generous, guys. Be generous. What I was using, use this. Mix everything together. Mix everything together, guys. Smelling delicious, guys. Smelling delicious. It's a quick meal too. You have everything prepared. You prepared everything. You know, all the vegetables ahead. You can even put spring onions on this bad boy. Give it a nice, colorful, vibrant on this dish. You know what I mean? But I love the color action on this dish already. There you go, guys. Your beef lo mein. You don't have to go to a Chinese restaurant to buy this. You can even make this in your comfort of your home, guys. It'll come out so delicious.
Easy.
That's it. So let's plate this bad boy. Where's that plate? 1 second, guys. I gotta look for it. I got it right here. So much dishes.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. You want to take home?
That's a lot. You're like, get that out of here. The king is coming.
Look at this bad boy.
Put it in the middle like that. Stick it in the middle.
There goes your beef lo mein, guys. There goes beef lo mein. Looking delicious. Let's taste this. Let's taste test this bad boy. This actually tastes like how you would just go to the Chinese, your local Chinese restaurant, and you ask them for a large beef lo mein. Tastes exactly like it, guys. But you can make a lot of it for a cheaper price at home. You ain't gotta go and pay $6, $7 or even maybe $10 depending where you go for a large beef lo mein.
Also, you can make shrimp lo mein and
You could even make shrimp, chicken,
steak,
beef lo mein, vegetable lo mein. You can make whatever you want, guys, in the comfort of your home and at an affordable price. There you go. You got your beef lo mein right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification button so you can get updated on all the other our latest videos in the future and watch all our past videos. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.